Fetch's price increased over 100% in these last days, but will we finally see the bullish breakout, or do we consolidate to even lower prices? In this video I will talk about Fetch and share my price prediction for the future. Before we go into the content, be sure to join my free Telegram group. I share there daily updates about Fetch, Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. So as you can see, this year Fetch is already increasing over the last all-time high, and after we reached the all-time high at $3.48, we then saw this massive crash to lower levels, and lately we came all the way back into this last demand zone, which was the start of this bullish push, and now we perfectly retested this last demand zone, saw this really bullish weekly candle, which is a really bullish sign, and we also tested the 78.6 Fibonacci level, which is a really good sign. And if we now can hold over here and increase in price, then the chance is really high that we could see another breakout for Fetch. Because if we have a look on the daily chart, you can see that we perfectly came here with this wick, but the body closed over this last highs, consolidated a bit here, and then saw this really bullish push, which is a really bullish sign. And we are also at the last all-time high right here. If we can reclaim this and retest it, this would be a really bullish sign, a chance to get into a long position. And of course, now it's really important, from this last high, we saw this break of structure to the downside. So we are still in a daily bearish structure, and it's now very important that we are reaching this last high right here and get the bullish breakout. Because if we can move over this last high right here at $1.55, then we are in a daily bullish structure again, and then the chance is high that we could see the real bullish explosion for Fetch. Just if we are coming down to this level again, break it, and also see a bearish candle close about this levels right here, so under this demand zone, then I think the chance is high that we'll see even lower prices. But as long as we are not breaking this last demand zone at 51 cents, then the chance is higher that we could now continue the bullish trend to the upside. And for the long term, I'm very bullish on Fetch, and I think the chance is high that we could see even higher prices than the last all-time high, because the AI coins are very hyped right now, and Fetch is one of the biggest AI coins in the crypto niche. So I think the chance is high that we could see very big prices for this bull run. And if we now could continue the bullish trend from this zone, this would be a higher low right here and a perfect chance to get into a long position on Fetch, especially for the short term and also for the long term. So as I said, right now it's very important that we are breaking this last high, and if we're also breaking this one, retested, this would be the bullish confirmation, and then the chance is really high that we can see higher prices. The next interesting price target is this high right here at $2.70, and if we're also breaking this one, then of course the last all-time high at $3.48 is very interesting. And if you want to trade Fetch, you can do this on Blofin. Blofin has no KYC and very low trading fees, and with my link you get minus 20% off your fees, and I will get some commissions which would normally go to Blofin, so it's a win-win situation. You will find the link in the description. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.